What is going on, guys? Just gonna go over real quick. This is the haul from the Wayne Toy Show today. Just gonna start going through. This is like a 12-inch Marvel Toy Biz, I guess. Yeah, 1990s, 97 Silver Surfer. This is, I guess, -1 pack. A basically full wax box of Topps Donkey Kong from the 80s. This is a sealed 2001 Topps Heritage Football. I think there's like Peyton Manning and LaDainian Tomlinson in there. Figures Toy Company, Bela Lugosi Dracula figures. Now these are really cool. These, there's a pair of them. These are 1984. They look to be, I guess that's Italian. Yeah, I think they're Italian. It could be Spanish from Spain, but I think it's Italian. Voltron water pistols. Not really something you'd see very often, and you couldn't really get them here in the States, so can't be many of them around. Got 2 of those. And this nice stack of Puppet Master figures. Totem, Jester, Tunneler, an exclusive Jester, and a Leech Woman down there. Some of this stuff is stuff from the NECA truck. That's a case of the John Lennon figures. There's a Ghostface Ultimate, a Friday the 13th mask. These are some Wizard of Oz, I guess, leg lamps? I don't know. Some modern Mad Balls. That's the Pinhead, 2 Pinheads. These are little mini Godzillas with eggs. Ghidorah, Mothra, Mechagodzilla, and Godzilla. 1995 Trendmasters. Bernhardt, carded Supernatural. Card's a little messed up, but it was 15 bucks, so don't see them very often at the shows. And one They Live figure. This was one of the better scores of the day. We got the Talking Ultimate Warrior from Hasbro. Alright, and the Talking Hogan to go with him. Let's see. Alright, so he doesn't talk as good as a warrior, but that's probably the best buy of the day. And then we got some stuff like this. Just starting to hoard the 90s Marvel Toy Biz stuff. Domino, Smythe, I'm not really super familiar with. Spider-Woman. Some DC Direct Green Lantern stuff. And then these 3 tubs is really just a big bulk buy of mid-90s Star Wars. You know, this is Attack of the Clones, random stuff in here, just a tub, junk 90s Star Wars stuff. But people are starting to buy this stuff, and you got to get them now while they're cheap. Micro Machines, little mini packs. So that was just take the 3 tubs for 1 lump price. I think that's about it. Yeah, and so that's it for the day. We're gonna go start to unload and open up the shop. So that's today's haul. Bye bye, everyone.